Okay guys, so we're back. We're halfway through. Had to get some reinforcements to get this nut off. We had to pull for the 17-inch socket. Remember, once we got this off here, which is a 12mm nut, then we had to upgrade to a 17mm on a extension bar here, and needed a little more torque to get that off. Once we got that off, then we transitioned down to this bolt, which was inside there. We needed a little more torque on that as well, so we had to, crisscross. And I would suggest using what I did. I use this here to hold that nut, and I worked the top bolt up here to swing this around to pop that loose, and it was on there pretty good, guys, so just a heads up. And we got the new one in place. It comes with a notch right here. We want to insert that notch in here. That's to hold it in place, so when you're turning on it, the whole thing don't spin around. So and then that's going to go on there. This is going to go on top of there, and it's just reverse of disassembly. And this nut here is gonna screw into that right there, and we should be up and running in no time. So we'll check back in.